Say hi monkey, hi Paul, hi monkey. Today I'm going to be showing you how to grow Veronica from seed. This is part 2. This is what we're growing. We got these were 369. I don't know if I got them on offer, I can't remember. I had 40 seeds, I sowed them all, but unfortunately I let them dry out, so I've only got 3 plants. That's what happens if you don't look after your seedlings well enough. Just thought I'd show you. Not everything goes to plan, but not to worry, I've got 3 plants. And as you can see here, it's a hardy perennial. So from them 3, I should be able to increase the stock over the coming years. Collecting seeds, taking cuttings, that sort of thing. What we're using for this is, these were started off in a peat-free compost, cocoa coir. I'm then using a mixture of peat-based with cocoa coir, because that's what I've got left. Waste not, want not. But I can assure everybody on my channel that I'm moving to totally peat-free as soon as the peat-based compost is used up. I'll be sticking with cocoa coir then. I'm using these 9cm pots, which is second hand. Ordered these off eBay a couple of years ago and they've been really good. They were 4 or 5 pence each. What we need to do is fill it up so it's about 1 inch from the top. Give it a tap down. I'll need 3 of these, which is great. But yeah, I can't recommend growing cottage garden flowers from seed, especially the perennials. Such good value. I mean, you get it from garden centre, you're talking £89 for one plant. Fair enough, there'll be bigger plants than these, but it's a lot more expensive. If you've got the time and patience, you save a lot of money and you get more enjoyment growing them from seed. So yeah, like I said, I get a lot more enjoyment out. I'll just give you a close up of this just in case you want to just get that sorted. If you want to pause this, you can first class border plant. This has got all the instructions on when to sow, how to sow, all the instructions there. You can read that. Veronica mixed colours. I'm really looking forward to these flowering. Cannot wait. So what we need to do then, we've done the pots. Just can get around here without knocking my camera over. I'll get a knife underneath, tease them out like so. As you can see here, big root system, which is really healthy. Get your hand. You don't want to plant them any deeper than they are. On exactly the same depth. You don't want them to rot as they are in the trays. Try and get them centered. Actually, I've only got 3 here. That's my own fault. But out of these 3, we're going to have plenty of plants in the coming years. Guarantee it. Be able to collect seeds off these this year, and then I can take cuttings from them as well. That's 2 done. Like I said, you can use peat-free compost. That's not a problem. These do grow well in peat-free compost. The last one. These will then go on that tray then, and then these have been under my lights. They will then go just either stay on this bench or go on the top shelf of my greenhouse. That's it. Once that's done, we'll give them a water and a feed. People always ask me what I feed them on. Well, this is it. Miracle Grow All Purpose. I get a big tub like that, so that will last me a couple of seasons. I mix a small amount in here, and then we'll start feeding them now. Now they've got to this size, they should respond really well to feeding regularly. Do them once a week. And you're better off putting less in. You can always up how much feed you give them. Less is more. And that's it. That's how to grow your Veronicas. That's part 2, how to pot on. If you want regular updates about these plants, please don't hesitate to subscribe and click like. You will then be able to find out how things are going on and how everything's growing. If you want to say hi monkey, hi Paul. Thank you very much for watching everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's how to grow Veronica from seed, part 2. Please subscribe and like, I really do appreciate it. Thank you, bye.